Hi guys, welcome to the final vlog in the 1 month in Europe vlog series. We are in our last stop, which is Lisbon in Portugal. This is my third time here and I'm so excited to be back. We wandered around a little bit yesterday when we arrived and it was so fun seeing everything and just remembering things that I saw when I came here in college a couple times. So anyway, this week we are spending all of our time in Lisbon. We're in the downtown area. Our neighborhood is Baixa, I think is how you pronounce it. It's basically by all the shops, all the restaurants. We're staying in a huge Airbnb. All of us have our own bedroom, which is very refreshing considering we've been very cramped this entire month. But today we're just going to be exploring, wandering around. I think we're gonna go get the famous pastry, the pastel de nata, and that's the only main plan for today. And I'll insert a little Airbnb tour right after this. Here is the Airbnb. You enter and we have this really cute pink living room situation going on. My favorite is the view. So down here where the yellow building is the water. So we're super close to the water. There's lots of cafes, coffee shops, everything. And then over there is like a main square. It's so nice. And there's windows like all along this area. And then this is the kitchen. This is a huge space for just 3 of us, but we honestly needed big space. This is the room I'll be staying in, so it also has its own windows, cute little double bed situation. Then you go back here. This place is really big, like I said. There's a bedroom here, a bathroom, another bedroom, and then the other bathroom. So 2 baths, 3 bedrooms. So cute, so excited to stay here, and we will show you guys around. So messy. So good. You guys, we're doing laundry in here. Oh my god, I think it's gonna fly out the wall.
What if it just like makes wings and flies out?
Every time I trash talk, something bad happens to me. Every time. We told Steph it's a massage chair, so let's see if she comes. Hi.
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 We all had 1 glass of wine. We're looking for gelato right now. Steph is yelling at us about Olive Garden. Am I gonna get copyrighted for the singing? The night
Demonetized
is over. Morning. Hello. Hi. Everyone, hello. It's actually the afternoon now, and today we are heading to a workout class. Steph is a cycling gal and is getting us to go to a workout where we go cycling. I'm like medium on cycling. I'm indifferent to it, but I'm excited to be doing something different on this trip. And then this afternoon we're going to the castle, which is insane. There's so many great views of the city from up there. And then we're just gonna have like a nice dinner. So casual day. I feel like this end of our trip we're a lot more chill. We're spending a lot more time just enjoying rather than running from one to the next. But that's the plan for today. And here are the workout fits. Cute, cute. it is later in the day and we're getting ready to head over and walk up to the castle. There is a beautiful castle here that I went to when I came previously, and I'm really excited to go back. You can basically see the entire city from up there, and it's really pretty. I remember there being like cute little restaurants and shops over there to walk around also. So we're going up there. I think it's like 10 euros to go in, so just keep that in mind if you guys are going. But I'm gonna show you all the views and I can't wait to go see it. And we're heading to a tapas spot. Apparently it's all you can eat tapas for like $19. So we're gonna test it out, see how it goes. It's over by this place called Time Out Lisbon, Time Out Market. And there's like 40 different vendors inside of this one spot with live music, food, drinks, shopping, everything. And it's open till midnight. So we're gonna go to dinner. Hopefully we're quick enough because it's like 10 p.m. I think. And then we're going to go to the market and come home and go to bed. So here is the fit. Running out of clothes to wear, so just wearing these jeans every day, sneakers. This is the corset I got in black from Zara. I have it in white also, and then my bag. And then the girls are over here. They're like kind of matching tonight with their fun little fits. Okay, okay.
Princess Palais.
Princess Palais is the bougie version that we're calling Princess Palais. That one is fancy. Okay, see you guys at the restaurant. Just because she's older, she thinks she's my boss. That's so mean. I have fallen like twice this morning. Good morning, guys.
So mean. I'm so mean that I almost made it again. A freaking concussion in Europe.
Are you done talking?
Okay, I'm done.
Oh my god, hello, it is the next day. Clearly, Steph woke up and chose aggression today.
I had my coffee, so I'm talking a lot.
She's had like 2 sips of coffee, so she's wired. But right now we're going to get some breakfast at this place called Dear Breakfast. And it looks so good on Instagram photos, so we're definitely going there to get some food. And then we're gonna wander around. There's this really cute neighborhood that looks pretty for pictures, so we're gonna try to get some outfit pics there and just explore a bit and take you guys along for this. Later in the day, and we just went over to Alfama. It's a neighborhood over kind of close to the water and kind of close to the castle at the same time. And we were thinking we would get like a late lunch, like 5 p.m. lunch and snacks over there, but we were getting kind of, sadly, like weird vibes. So now we're over back by the Pink Street, and we're looking for somewhere to get like a pre-dinner, I guess I would say, because we don't want to eat dinner yet. But we're just walking around. It's so hot outside today. If people tell you to bring a jacket, don't. Only for nighttime. second to last dinner here. We're going over to Bairro Alto area to get some dinner. It's like 10-15 p.m. so we've been going very late out to eat, but that is the plan. Hi guys, it is our last day in Lisbon. I'm so sad we're going home tomorrow. It's kind of crazy. Today officially marks one entire month that I have been in Europe, and it's gonna be weird going home tomorrow, but I feel like once I've reached the point of leaving somewhere, I'm just ready to be home. Like, the process of traveling is never the most fun experience. So we actually just got our COVID test. It's kind of expensive here if you guys are coming. It was like 100 euros to get our test. And I mean, we'll get our results really quickly just to be sure we have them by our flight, but that is just really expensive to be tested. But right now we're walking. There's a car coming. Right now we're walking to these shops. We're just doing a little bit of shopping to see if we can find any presents for people at home. We've gotten a few things in some of the cities, but I feel like we want to get like cute souvenirs. I'm a very practical souvenir gal. I do not like to buy trinkets, like only things that I think someone will like and use. So that's what we're doing today, just wandering around, going to our favorite few places one last time, and then that will wrap a month in